How you doing, Brecken? Is this yummy? Ready? Make sure he's not diving. He's diving over here. Ainsley, help him up. Good job. Are you chewing that up all by your... No, Ainsley, don't push his head. Don't push his head. His shoulder. There you go. Are you trying to learn how to do this? Here we go. Ready? Hold his shoulder. Support where his shoulder is. You ready for some more? Ooh, yummy, 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 yummy. You're a big helper, Brecken. You're a big helper.
We have to wash his hands.
Yeah, we might have to. Wow, Brecken.
When he starts to fall, I will run over there. Don't worry. Take a picture of Fleet
Get down.
too.
Get down in there. I'm doing video right now. What? Yeah, you're gonna get messy. Say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
I'm helping my brother eat.
I'm having my brother eat.
And whatever you want to say.
Whatever you want to say.
No, you say. Do you want to add something to this? Ooh,
Do you want to add something
Oh,
to
stop
this?
it, you goony boy.
You goony boy.